Job simulation. Employability trainers Moses and Reena.
How do our candidates learn the skills required for a job or attitude that is required for a job? And no job is easy. How do we make our candidates understand this?
Yeah.
We generally do it through simulations. Let us understand what is a simulation. Simulation is nothing but making taking a part of the job and making the candidate experience that work. So that is what we call as simulations.
Yeah.
Let us see some examples, like telephone operator, which are very simple. So once our candidates do simple ones, then we move on to something like indexing, which is bit complex in nature.
Visually impaired employability trainer Moses with volunteer Kishore in session with visually impaired students.
Tring, 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 tring.
Welcome to ABC Associates, sir.
Can I speak to Lina Maria, please?
Just wait a minute, sir. I'll just connect to her.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Ram looks at his extension list in Braille.
421.
Tring, 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 tring.
Hello? Hello. Ma'am,
Yeah.
someone wants to speak to you.
Who is that someone?
Sorry, ma'am. I have forgotten it.
Tring, 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 tring.
हेलो.
हेलो सुषमा,
यस सर.
मैं दिनेश बोल रहा हूँ. अभी मैं एक मीटिंग में जा रहा हूँ. 1 घंटा लगेगा. अगर कोई भी फोन कॉल आए तो आप मुझे डिस्टर्ब मत करो, ठीक है?
ओके सर. थैंक यू.
ट्रिंग 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 ट्रिंग.
हेलो.
Hello, can I speak to Dinesh, please?
He is in. Okay sir. He is in meeting. What's the name?
I'm Nasrul here.
Okay sir.
Tring, 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 tring.
हेलो.
हेलो सुषमा,
यस सर.
दिनेश बोल रहा हूँ.
ओके.
मेरे लिए कोई फोन आया था.
हाँ सर आया था. कोई तो पर्सन था नजरुल करके.
नजरुल? कौन नजरुल?
सर मुझे तो पता नहीं. एक
नम-
नजरुल करके फोन आया.
ठीक है, आपके पास उसका नंबर है?
नो सर.
अरे यार, क्या करती हो सुषमा तुम भी? हाँ?
सॉरी सर.
Tring, 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 tring.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर. नो सर. गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
What? You decide if it's morning or afternoon. I don't want to talk to you.
Hearing impaired employability trainer Junaid in session with hearing impaired students.
I have one exercise, computer exercise for you.
Okay. Ma'am.
Job simulation, indexing, working in a BPO company. First day, I will give you one exercise. Total invoice 309. We have time. Time is 4 hours for you.
Okay.
Day 1. Students are working on indexing on the computers.
Finished your exercise,
But
but you took more time. Why?
Tell me.
It was very hard. We need more time. It was very difficult.
More difficult.
It was confusing.
I did not know shortcuts.
Shortcut. First time, sir. You know, sir.
I am giving you same exercise second time, but lesser time.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
You must improve. Learn. Try.
Day 2. Students are doing indexing for the second time.
Yesterday I have given you exercise. You have taken more hours.
Yesterday it took 6 hours. It was very hard. Today it became 3 hours. It was easier. I feel good.
Sure.
Sure.
I'm
I am giving you
one more
third exercise.
Third exercise.
Same indexing in 1 hour. Are you okay? Yes? Yes? Very good.
Day 3. Students are working much faster on day 3 and using the keyboard more.
You have reached in 1 hour. I am proud of you. Very good.
Students are patting themselves on the shoulders. Mohit BP, former student with visual impairment, working as IT recruiter in Wipro Technologies. Mohit explains how job simulation helps him in his recruiter job.
I can relate one job simulation, that is order processor. There we had to copy the details of the requirement, means whatever the orders they have given, we had to enter in particular Excel sheet, particular details like what is the quantity they are looking and what is the cuisine they are looking, and the availability of the, we had to check the availability of the cuisine in another Excel sheet. So now daily, whatever the candidate I process, I have to maintain a tracker which I need to send for the next level recruiter and the technical panel. There I have to enter complete details of the candidates, like candidate's name, their contact details, email IDs, and their current and expected CTGs, and their relevant and total IT experience, all those things. I feel the entry which I did in Excel, I had to copy from the notepad, and I had to properly, the data should be accurate. That's helping here to maintain my day-to-day tracker. Usually Shiva sir used to reject the letters even for small formatting errors, and he never used to tell what is the error in the document. He used to tell it's rejected because it's not meeting the criteria or whatever the things we are looking. So I had to again go through everything, and I had to cross-check everything. Again we had to identify the mistakes which I did, and I had to resubmit it. So it helped me to do the work with efficiency and do the proofreading or cross-checking before submitting any work.
What is the impact of job simulation? Let us see example of indexing. When candidates did for the first time, they were not able to reach the target or the time. But when they did second time, they were able to. But with angry tension, they were doing. For the third time, they did their job and they learned how to work with stress, tension, and how to work in the team.